All right, so now let's take a look at problem number 2, page 11, lesson 2 of your packet. Number 2 is related to the given example, so that's a follow-up question. By 11 in the evening, the temperature had dropped 8 degrees Fahrenheit. What was the temperature at 11 in the evening? Is it positive or negative? It dropped. Okay, it didn't tell us to use a number line, but I'm going to show it to you. So our answer earlier was 2. So I'm thinking that I'm going to start here. It says at 11 o'clock, whatever the temperature, so that's 2 degrees Fahrenheit, and it dropped. It dropped by, where was it? It dropped by 8 degree Fahrenheit. 8 degree Fahrenheit. And now, when you say dropped, the word drop means it went down or it goes down. Or you could say decreased, minus. I'm going to bring this down. We'll have 2 decrease 8. So to write a mathematical symbol, we would have 2 decrease is 8. That's easy if we use a calculator, but this time your calculator would actually give you -6. So when you press 2 minus 8, but I need to see that, or I need to see that on the number line. Okay, so we have, let's prove that 2 minus 8 is really negative 6. But how? So here it is. We have 0, 1, 2, 3. That's just the arrow. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. The temperature before 11 in the evening, as you can see here, it's 2 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 2 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, or should I use a different color? Yeah, I should. So that's 2 degrees Fahrenheit. And then it went down, or it dropped. See this? It dropped by 8. So the minus sign, it tells us that from 2 we move 8 units to the left. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I do it right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here's the arrow. It went to the left and it stops at -6. Therefore, this is correct. Again, I wish you could. This is positive. I'll just write pause. This is negative. Okay, so that's 6 units to the left of 0. So 8 take away 2, we do the inverse. It's 8 take away 2 would give you -6. Now let's move to problem number 3. A swimmer dives, so there is a word, it dives 10 feet below the surface of a lake. How far must she swim? Oh, did we answer here? Yeah, by the way, the answer here for number 2 was negative. So the answer, the temperature for number 2, it's negative because after moving, the number line demonstrates that after moving from 2 8 units to the left, it ends at -6. Therefore, the answer is negative. Now, for number 3, a swimmer jump below, see the word below, the surface of a lake. How far must she swim before she reaches the surface? Oh my gosh, this one really scared me because I don't know how to draw. But I'm gonna try, guys. And it's still one of the best drawing in the world. Okay, so this is the water surface. Okay, that's the water surface. So when you jump, this is the person. Okay, so that's water surface. When you jump 10 feet, it says 10 feet, you're jumping, you move down, you go down in this direction. Okay, so I'm gonna use red for some reason. I don't understand why I'm using the same colors. That's -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10. This is -10. The surface level over here, that's the sea level or the surface. I will write surface level, that's 0. So after jumping 10 feet, you see, you jump 10 feet, -10. The question was, how many feet should you climb to get to the surface level? So that's -10, meaning to say, what number would you add to -10 so that you would move back up there? You came 10 feet, you went 10 feet down, and now we would like to go back out. And how many feet would that be from -10 going up? So the answer here is +10. How do it's +10? Well, prove that, bro. So you see this will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's why it's +10. The reason, it's the additive inverse. When you're combining numbers with two opposite sign, the answer it's always 0. To write this in mathematical term, we would have -10 plus 10 equals 0. -10, that's down. And then this is when you climb. That's the surface level. Okay? So after copying down the solution of the problem, I would like for you to take your notebook and solve problem number 4 and problem number 4, 5, and 6. Just 2 or 3 problems on the next page, page 12. Okay, I'll see you later. Goodbye.